Hey y'all, welcome to Olinsi Traveling. On this channel, I'll be bringing you the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and everything in between. I'll take you along to explore small towns, across the US and Canada, exactly as they are. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. Let's begin our walk. This is the Selah Creek Rest Area westbound, near Yakima, Washington. On the map it looks like a nice stop, but here's the reality. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to join me on the next journey. Yes, the views of the Selah Creek Bridge and valley are worth a quick look, but you're not going to get much peace here. Between highway noise and constant traffic, it's not the best place to rest overnight. Parking here is usually manageable. There's space for trucks, RVs, and cars, but like most rest areas, it can fill up during peak travel hours. If you're running late at night, you should still be able to find a spot. What makes this stop stand out is the location. You've got sweeping views of the valley and the Selah Creek Bridge, something you don't always get on a quick highway stop. Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're enjoying this stroll, don't forget to hit like so I know you want more tours like this. restrooms are serviceable, but like many rest areas, cleanliness really depends on the timing. Sometimes it's fine, other times, not so much. Don't expect spotless. So, Selah Creek Rest Area gets the job done if you need a quick break, stretch, or bathroom stop. But for truckers looking for real rest, this one is more of a pit stop than a layover.
Camera. Video.
Thanks for joining me here on Olinsi Traveling. Every stop has its own story. Whether it's a truck stop, a rest area, or a small town street, I bring you along to see it all, just as it is. If you enjoyed this walk, make sure to subscribe and come along for the next journey. More towns, more roads, and more real travel experiences are just around the corner. Until then, see you at the next stop.